Dr. Klaus Weidner, President of Mercedes-Benz Malaysia. May I also invite to stage Mr. Gerryko, Commercial Manager for Malaysia, Indonesia, and Thailand of Beam Santori. Ms. Julia Teo, Associate Marketing Director of Neutrogena, Johnson & Johnson, as well as Mr. Clement Diligao, Key Account Manager of Airbus Helicopters Malaysia. All our VIPs are currently joining us on stage for our ribbon cutting ceremony to officiate the event tonight.
Stylo Asia Fashion Festival 2017. Our VIPs are now taking a photo.
Locked in.
Nice rides.
Still looking good.
Vice President of Sales and Marketing for Mercedes-Benz Malaysia.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, friends from the media, Dr. Professor Jimmy Xu, Dr. Nancy, the creator of Stylo and the Malaysia Fashion Week, fellow fashion lovers, designers, and models. Let me welcome you to the 2017 edition of the Mercedes-Benz Stylo Asia Fashion Festival. It's a great privilege and pride to be standing here in front of you today, as today marks a very special occasion, a very special evening. Tonight is the 10th anniversary of the Mercedes-Benz Stylo Asia Fashion Festival. And let me take the opportunity to thank everybody who contributed. Nancy, you and your team, and everybody who made it happen over the past decade, making the Mercedes-Benz Stylo Asia Fashion Festival one of the leading fashion weeks in Asia, a fixed date on the global fashion scene, and what it is by today. Fashion, Mercedes-Benz and Stylo is a significant partnership, and collaboration. Why? Because design, luxury, and style are key elements in fashion, but also in the automotive world. For Mercedes-Benz, there is a key point in our strategic marketing initiatives, and that is the fashion industry. And we support all over the world, Milan, Paris, New York, London, Berlin, but also KL, fashion industry worldwide, and we support local talent in Malaysia. Ladies and gentlemen, all of this could have been witnessed when you're sitting in one of our Mercedes-Benz dream cars, but also when you cross the central piazza of the KL Gateway Mall and walk through our Mercedes-Benz gallery just now. But as we're all here to witness the exciting fashion, the wonderful designs, and the beautiful models, let me end my speech right here, right now, and just wish you a wonderful evening, a great Mercedes-Benz Stylo Asia Fashion World. Have a great evening. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. That was Mr. Mark Ray, Vice President of Sales and Marketing for Mercedes-Benz Malaysia.
I move with the leaves. I glow like the crown. I'll take my life and I'll split it in two. And here's one part for me, here's one part for you. Shadows, 2 by 2. You go your way, and I will follow you.
As you may have noticed in the Star the other week, she's been jet-setting around the world, planting the Malaysian flag in China, the Stylo China showroom, and unfortunately, well, in my opinion, she's been working incredibly hard. Dato Nancy Yoraisiga, she has lost her voice. So, on behalf of Dato Nancio Raisiga, President and Chief Executive Officer of Stylo International, I'm afraid I have to read her speech on her behalf. And although I know I cannot compensate for the sassiness and the drive that is Dato Nancio, allow me to read the speech on her behalf. My team members finally got their dream come true. After 11 years of hounding everyone in this business, it finally happened. I lost my voice. It was exactly 11 years since Mercedes-Benz and I got together and agreed to put together a first ever fashion festival for the Formula One on a scale never to be seen before. The following year was the 10th anniversary of the Formula One in Sepang. It was planned to be a one-off event. I thought, what should we call it? Must be totally local, and I thought, how about Stylo? Kavita said to me, sounds so low class lah. And I said, the people will define what Stylo is. It was March 2007, 8 days of fashion parties. Our tagline was, fashion is merely the excuse.